Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then fetch the SDK. Install Git and make sure your OS is supported. You need adequate RAM and disk. Next, choose a release channel and either download the zip or run git clone to pull the Flutter repo into a chosen folder. Once done, add the Flutter /bin path to your path environment variable so commands run globally. Make sure to restart your shell so the new path takes effect and Flutter commands are available immediately. You continue by running Flutter Doctor to reveal what's missing and why. Address each item, install Android Studio for Android tooling or Xcode for iOS, then use SDK Manager to add Android SDK, platform tools, and emulator images. After installing, run Flutter Doctor Android licenses and accept them. This avoids build time failures. Make sure to enable developer mode and USB debugging on physical devices, and restart Android Studio so it detects the SDK and plugins properly before moving to IDE integration. You finish by integrating the SDK with an IDE and verifying a build. Install the Flutter and Dart plugins for your editor, then create a new project and run Flutter Run against an emulator or device. Observe the console for analyzer messages and fix any import or SDK path issues. If something breaks, rerun Flutter Doctor and read the stack traces, often accepting licenses, fixing path entries, or reinstalling platform tools resolves it. One key tip: clear caches with Flutter Clean before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.